What started as a mutual defense agreement between Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Islamic Republic of Pakistan has now become the Mecca Accord or Mecca Joint Defense Agreement, which now includes in it the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Republic of Turkey. And in this particular regard, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan has explicitly stated that this Mecca Accord is open to any country in the region who wishes to join it and to ensure not only its deterrence but also resolve the differences with mutual respect and cooperation. And Egypt heard it. Yes, now there is a greater possibility that Egypt as another country in the Middle East is going to join the Mecca Accord alongside Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and Republic of Turkey. So is there any actual possibility that Egypt is going to be the fourth country in this Mecca Accord? Would this Mecca Accord at some point in time or in near future would become just like a NATO but of the eastern part of the world? Because the foreign ministry of the country of Egypt has stated clearly that Egypt right now is pursuing the final technical procedures to get into this accord. Yes, and once that is done, the Republic of Turkey had already endorsed that Egypt is going to be the part of this Mecca agreement, which is once again solely to ensure deterrence and is made for defensive purposes. The foreign ministries of all the three countries, that of Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and Turkey, had said that they would not object on the Egypt's participation in the Mecca Accord, rather they would encourage it. And secondly, to reiterate the defensive character of the agreement, the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister of Pakistan had once again said that the attack against one country under the pact would be considered an attack against all three of them, or maybe upon Egypt's participation on all four of them.